Hello everyone, I welcome all of you on Gate Chemical Planet, and I would like to thank all the dear students who subscribed my channel. So here I am discussing with you HPCL previous year questions which is based on fluid mechanics, and here we will discuss 11 questions on fluid mechanics from different years papers. So the first question is, which pump is used to transport chemical substances? Centrifugal, reciprocating pumps, gear pumps, or diaphragm pumps? Here it is a diaphragm pumps, okay? Diaphragm pumps. So basically the reciprocating pumps is used in industry to transport the chemical substances. So the correct option is reciprocating pumps. Question number 2 is, the temperature of an ideal gas is directly proportional to which of the following? So the temperature is directly proportional to the average translational kinetic energy of the molecules. Okay, so it is the average translational kinetic energy of the molecules. So option A is correct. Okay. Now question third is, friction factor does not depends upon which thing? Length, velocity, or viscosity. So the friction factor does not depends upon the length. Student, here it is my request, please subscribe to my channel. Some of the students are watching the videos but they don't have how to subscribe the channel, so please press the bell icons and go to the tab on subscribes button and press the subscribe button and bell icons. It is very easy. Okay, so if you are watching my videos on YouTube, then please watch fully videos and press the bell icons and subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, so the next question is, steam ejector is used for? So steam ejector is basically used for the vacuum generation. So here the correct option is vacuum generation. The next question is, gear pump is used for which purpose or for which type of fluid? Viscous fluid, clean fluid, and both or none of these? Gear pumps are used for clean fluids as well as for viscous fluids. So the option is C, both A and B. So now we will move on to the next question. Here question number 6 is, diaphragm pumps is used for which type of fluids? So diaphragm pumps are used for corrosive fluids as well as for highly viscous fluids. So both the options are correct. Okay. Discharge of centrifugal pump is directly proportional to what? The speed, the square of speed, the cube of speed, or the under root of speed. So student, the discharge of centrifugal pump is directly proportional to the speed. Next question is, small pressure differences in liquid is measured by using which type of manometer? The U-tube manometer, by pitot tube, or by inclined tube manometer, or all of these? So for small pressure differences in liquid, it is measured by inclined tube manometer. Okay, so it is from 0 to 10 mm of WC, and mmWC is millimeter water column. Okay, so if a pressure is very small in the range of 0 to 10 mmWC, then inclined tube manometers are used. So now we will move on to the next question. The Pascal law is not applicable for which type of fluid? So according to the definition of Pascal law, it is applicable for static fluid, and static fluid which is uniformly moving fluid, and accelerating frictionless fluids. So the option D is correct, none of these. There is no option correct for this question. Okay, so the 10th question is, total energy at point comprises of potential energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy, internal energy. So the sum of total energy at a point is comprises of potential energy, kinetic energy, and internal energy. So the D option is correct, all of these. All fluids exert equal pressure in all direction according to which law? Boyle's law, Charles' law, Pascal's law, Amigan's law. So according to the Pascal law, all fluids exert equal pressure in all the direction. So the correct option is Pascal law. Okay, I have already ticked the correct options with the help of green pen. Okay, you can see the correct option with the help of green pen here. Okay, so all the best for your examination. This is these questions on fluid mechanics. Next question will be on thermodynamics. Okay, so please watch the full video and share as much as possible, and subscribe to Gate Chemical Planets for more updated informations and uploads. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.